Okay, since last 10 days, you have been learning different components of robotics. So, what components do you remember?
GND sir.
GND, very good.
Servo motor.
Servo motor,
Jumper wire.
jumper wires,
Buzzer.
buzzer. Yeah. Yes, you.
Raindrop sensor.
Raindrop sensor. You.
Arduino Uno.
Arduino Uno. This one. Yes, you.
Battery.
Battery. Yeah, this one. Yes, you.
IR sensor.
IR sensor. And the person who is holding the camera?
Coding.
Coding. Yes, you.
Blackboard.
Breadboard. Huh? You. This you.
LED light.
LED light. So now I just want to ask you one question. Have you ever visited or gone to toll gate?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir. So what mechanism or what system or what arrangement do you observe there? Yes,
Sir.
huh?
I speak in Marathi.
Yes, you can speak in Marathi.
आम्ही टोलगेटकडे जातो तेव्हा स्टॉप करायला दंडा खाली होऊन जाते आम्ही QR कोड करतो मग पे करतो मग टोलगेटचा तो दंडा वरती होऊन जाते आणि आम्ही समोर चाललो.
Okay, the same arrangement we have done in this project. Okay, so right now I want to show you the same project called toll gate is here. You can observe this is an ultrasonic sensor, this is a buzzer, this is an LED light. This all components are attached with this Arduino Uno board, and all the connections you can see on this breadboard. Here the most important part of this project is this servo motor. When this ultrasonic sensor gets the signal, it sends the signal to this servo motor, and servo motor starts this rod inclined to 90 degree, means this will come in 90 degree. Once this loses the sense, the rod gets down by 90 degree. Okay, all this arrangement is controlled by this Arduino Uno. We have set up one program called a toll gate program. So here you can see this is the code I have made or given some instructions to this ultrasonic sensor, the servo motor, the buzzer, LED will work according to this code, and this code is done with the help of Arduino 1.8.19 software. Okay, so this was the theory. Now let's have the practical. For giving this, let's zoom it. Now for giving it supply, power supply, I am giving it a power supply right now. Now Musi,
Yes sir.
this is a car. You have to take it near this ultrasonic sensor.
Yes.
Wait. Now wait. So now you can see the buzzer is blowing and the blink. You can see the LED is blinking. And why this is happening? Because right now आतापर्यंत तुम्ही पैसे पे केलेले नाहीये, म्हणून हा काय आहे, हा जो दांडा आहे हा उभा आहे. आता थोडा गाडीला पुढे घे, गाडीला थोडं पुढे घे पुन्हा. ओके, सो नाव पैसे पे झालेले आहे आणि दांडा खाली अटकलेला आहे आणि गाडी पुढे गेलेली आहे. सर, सो इन दिस वे you can see, you can also create such kind of projects with the help of, what is this? Ultrasonic sensor. What is this?
Buzzer.
What is this?
LED light.
What are these?
Jumper.
What is this?
Arduino.
What is this?
Servo.
What is this? This is a rod. So in this way you can also create very simple projects like this. I hope you like this project. Have you liked this project?
Yes.
Understanding the concept of toll gate, the use of ultrasonic sensor and the use of servo motor. Thank you very much. Bye bye.